Hey guys, I wanted to come on and show you something here. Plus, I got a friend here who would like to show you about this stuff.
This is the prep and storage system that Pampered Chef has come out with. It's new and it is so good. It comes with this, which is a wonderful cutting board. You don't have to, it's so much easier to keep clean than wood. And it comes with 5 of these containers.
Wow, 5 of them.
5 with lids. Now it comes with 3 of the drain inserts and 3 of the partition inserts, and the drain inserts go in there like that.
Look at that.
And that will drain your wet produce or something. And
That's neat.
lettuce. And then we have our divider. And you can put, so it makes your 5, it makes 3 containers into 6 different, you could be prepping 6 different things.
That is so neat.
Now here
What
is
else
what
here?
makes
This is
it
nice.
really cool, is it sits on the end of your cabinet like this, or your counter. You bring these guys out.
Okay.
You put this guy in.
Oh my.
Bring that back. Now you have a.
Oh, while you can just scrape it off
Bring
into
it
there.
off in there.
Ooh, okay.
And that's very nice. And then you can do that with 2, of course. Then you want to put you can put it in the fridge. And it comes with 5 of these. So you can prep lots of good food, and if you're going to a family event or something like that, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
In addition, it comes with this platform that has...
What's in there?
These are inserts that you freeze, and then you put them in there. And you
So
can
it keeps your stuff cold.
Yes, on a table
And they fit
at a picnic. And
and
they
they
fit in there
How
like
many?
this. 3 will fit
3
in
of
here.
them. Okay.
It comes with 5. You can put those in the refrigerator by themselves. I have a tip for you. If you freeze this and then put it in the refrigerator, that also makes your produce colder. So it's kind of like your own produce drawer.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you would want it frozen to take to your event or your family dinner, and then put that out on the picnic table.
I really like that.
Put that on.
Oh gosh, I got to get me one of these.
And then there's one more tip for you.
Okay.
You can.
But by the way, show us.
Yes, right. You can take this out.
Oh, that comes apart.
Sure does. And then our little friend goes back in here. And you can do it from this end as well. And then the lip comes out over the thing.
Okay.
And again, you have the way to...
Oh, that is so neat. I like
drop
this.
it off in there. The other side has a slot like that as well. So you can do it from this side or this side. And this thing is so awesome to clean. I just love it.
Ooh, yeah.
It's wonderful. And
that's better than wood.
Yes, much better than wood. Easier.
And I like
it will not dull your knives. That was supposed to be a feature of it too. And you can use your knives on it, and it should not dull them.
I like the separator. So you can do your onions and peppers or tomatoes and have this divider in here, and you know it won't.
I have like my little snow peas. You can chop those up, put those in there. You can put carrots over here, and I really like it. I'm loving it.
I'm in love. I'm gonna have to get me one.
Yep. It does. I want to point out because I was unclear. It comes with 5 of these containers with lids. But it comes with 3 of these and 3 of these. So you can get additional ones if you want them. So there's no surprises when we purchase it. Oh, I like it. So thank you very much for showing me this, and everybody else. We'll do it again sometime. Yeah, bye. Bye.